let's just take our audience as to what it is that Arvind Sawant had to say to you in an interview. He is essentially hinted that Chandrababu Naidu should remember that the BJP treated him in a certain way. He's also said the same for Nitish Kumar. Remember, both of them are being considered kingmakers in this moment, though both have already made it clear. Chandrababu Naidu coming out in a press conference and saying as much that he would very much remain by the BJP side. Still, Arvind Sawant of the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena hinting that both should remember how they were treated in the past. Take a look at this interview, then we'll connect once again with our colleague.
What will be the agenda for the meeting today? You and Sanjay Raut will be in Delhi for this key meeting. Uddhav Thackeray is also likely to join?
May depends upon if he is required to join, he will definitely come and join the meeting. But right now we both are going to Delhi. Let us see what will be the agenda in the meeting. We are waiting for the agenda now.
Yesterday, Uddhav Thackeray said that there's no harm in trying to form the government. Why shouldn't we challenge, especially when we have the numbers? And there were discussions about Chandrababu Naidu as well as Nitish Kumar. How is this whole discussion panning out? What is the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray group's stance on the kind of changing political equation?
What are the changing politics? Nitish Kumar was there with us. Chandrababu Naidu was there with us in India also. But the way the experience of both the leaders, they must think of it, introspect. What is their past experience with the present ruling party? How they are treated Chandrababu Naidu, how they are treated their party, how they came from 15, 16 to 3 last time. Who was the responsible there? Right now for the selfishness, right now for with the intention to rule the country, they will try. So why not we? Why not we? Because I don't think Chandrababu Naidu should go with them because, the way they have been treated badly when he wanted to make the Amravati as a capital for the newly formed Andhra Pradesh. They did not allow him, they did not give for 5 years they were fighting for the funds. I do remember the Naidu was there, Galla was there. They were frequently insisting for the development of Andhra Pradesh. The government always takes Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. But they created hurdle for the development of Andhra Pradesh.